CNTECHO, an expert in motor and pump field, with a powerful professional team and technical force, established a set of standardized and orderly flexible modern management model, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure from material sourcing, processing and testing, to packing, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. With export license, we export products to Europe, Asia, Mideast, South America, Africa, and so on. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together. All our products in conformity with the IEC standards, and the products have reached the advanced level of the same products in the world. Multiple specifications, one-stop procurement, sufficient stock can meet the procurement needs of customers on all platforms.